Hello, Sharon here. Now you might think spreadsheets have to be complicated, and I'm here to show you that they don't have to be. They only need to be as complicated as you want them. So as long as they do what you want them to do, then that's all that matters. So I'm here to show you now 4 ways of formatting data really easily in Google Sheets. So let's crack on. So you can see here I have a basic, real quick to-do list. So I'll include a link at the end of this video to another tutorial I did where I show you how to create a to-do list using a really simple template in Google Sheets. But for this tutorial, I've just quickly created one from scratch. And you can see it's very basic looking, but it serves its purpose, right? So the first thing I want to do is insert some checkboxes into this completed column here. You can either highlight the whole column, or if you have a really long list, then just highlight the first one. Go to Insert on the menu here, and scroll down to Checkbox. That's it. That's as easy as it gets. All you need to do, if you want to copy this down, just click the bottom right corner here and drag it down. So that's the first way, how to insert a checkbox. Tip 2 is I want to make it a bit easier to read. So in order to do that, I want to have alternating colours on the rows. So just to make it a bit prettier, I suppose. So what I want to do is highlight this set of data, go to Format on the menu, and go down to Alternating Colours. So here you have the range B2 to D10, which is the data that I've selected here, that I've highlighted. I've ticked the box header because it does have a header row. And you have a list of default styles here, so you can quickly change the style of it, or you can create your own custom style by choosing your own colours here, or you can choose your own branding specific colours. You can just insert them here and put in the hex code and everything. And when you're done, just click Done. And there you have it. And even the checkboxes also change colour to match. How cool is that? And when you want to get rid of it, just go back into your Format, Alternating Colours, and there's an option here, Remove Alternating Colours, and that gets rid of everything. Moving on to tip 3. If you have a long list of data and you're scrolling down, you lose this header row here. So you want to freeze the row. And it might be that you have loads of columns going across and you want to freeze a column as well. So one way of doing that, you could go into your view and you freeze rows and columns, etc. An even quicker way of doing it, if you look in the top left corner, you'll see some really thick grey border lines here. And when you hover over it, the cursor changes to a little hand. And all you need to do is just click and drag, and you can see there's a thick line that goes across each row wherever I drag it to. So if I put it here under row 2 and now scroll down, you can see it's frozen the row. How quick and easy is that? And it's the same with the columns. You can quickly just drag across and it will automatically freeze. So when you scroll across, they're selected. And to move it back again or to remove it completely, just hover over the thick grey line here till you get the hand symbol, click and drag it back way over here, and again drag it back up to the top and it's gone. How cool is that? And my final tip in this quick tip tutorial, if you have a long list and you want to make sure there's no duplicates in here, just highlight the list, go to Data, scroll down, and there's one called Remove Duplicates. Click on there, and I need to tick that the data has a header row because it has, and it automatically puts in the actual titles of each row of each column. So I want to actually get rid of any tasks that are duplicated. So the date is fine, but it's the actual task that I want to do. So I deselect all, and then I click on column C, which is the task column, and remove duplicates. Now you can see here I've got invoice clients. It's the same date, and I've obviously put that in twice. And again, the complete timesheets as well is also duplicated there. So I want to remove those. So all I need to do, just click on Remove Duplicates, and it's telling me that 2 duplicate rows were found and removed and that 6 unique ones remain. And just click OK. And it's got rid of them. So there you have 4 real quick ways of easily formatting your data in Google Sheets. As I mentioned earlier, there is a link here to a video I did earlier, which is how to create a real basic simple to-do list using a template in Google Sheets. If you just want a basic to-do list, really quick and easy to use, then watch this video. And I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button, and until next time, bye for now.